So my daughter has surgery and I want to get some Gatorade for her. I know she don't like this 0-1 that has artificial sugar. I'll get her this fruit punch one. Still looking for the dried smoked pork. This is all fresh and I don't want it. I could not find the kind of smoked pork that I want in Giant, so I came to Global and I'm hoping they have it. Got some mangoes. Ooh, this smells so good. It's too soft. So I'm at Fresh World, and this is where I'm sure I'm gonna get that smoked pork, the dry one. Hello, this is Norma, and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, please consider subscribing. Hit that thumbs up button, because when you hit it, YouTube tends to push the video more. And also hit the notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. So today I am making some Liberian split peas and some chicken gravy. So let me show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make my food. Okay, so the first thing I have is my yellow split peas. So what I did, usually I soak it overnight, but I didn't do it last night. So this morning I just took some boiling water. I washed my peas and I took some boiling water and I just covered it almost to where you see it is up here, like all the way to the top, because it's gonna swell and it makes it easier to cook. So after I did that, I washed it 3 times and I put some fresh water, and now I'm gonna season it and let it start to cook. I got some smoked pork. This is the seasoned one. It has pepper on it, and that's what I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna put some salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. So after the black pepper that I put in there, I stirred it. I think my video cut off when I was recording, so I'm just redoing it to make sure you got it. And I'm gonna cover it and let it boil for about an hour and a half. I want for it to be all mashed up. So usually if you don't do it overnight, it takes that long, but I will check it after about 40 minutes. Now let's move on to the rest of the stuff that I have going on. So this is my chicken, my assorted pieces. I seasoned it with garlic powder, onion powder. I put some chicken Knorr seasoning, and I put some black pepper. I'm gonna be air frying my chicken. I wanted to put some cut up onions in my split peas. I forgot. I think because I'm so hungry. And now I'm gonna cover it and let it boil for an hour and a half. But in about 45 minutes, I will check it. Here I have onion, I have habanero pepper, I have tomatoes, I have green bell pepper, I have red bell pepper, and I have some red onions, and the fresh tomatoes. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it. Okay, for my gravy, I'm going to put some minced garlic I have chicken bouillon. Here I have garlic powder. Here I have some ground spice, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and some salt. Okay, I'm about to blend my vegetables. This is one of the best gifts one of my daughter gave me. I've been using it for years and it just keeps going. It is a good blender. Okay, my vegetable blended, and I'm going to be using coconut oil. The pressed one, the cold pressed one, that's what I'm going to make my gravy with. And I have 2 Maggi cubes that's going to go in there. And this is beat up pepper. They dry, I think it's chili pepper. I don't know what kind of pepper they dry in Liberia, and they blend it, or they beat it in the mortar. I don't know what they do, but it's so good. It's hot, but it's good. So now that that's done, let me come and air fry my chicken. Okay, I'm going to put the chicken in the air fryer. And then chicken. What I normally do is 90 minutes on one side and 90 minutes on the other. So I'm just going to reduce the temperature. And I went too low. Okay. Open it up. And put my chicken in there. Some people put oil on it, but you don't have to. I'm not putting any oil. I'm gonna have a lot of oil in that gravy. It's a big one, so it holds a lot. Close it up, and then I'm gonna start it. So in 90 minutes, I'll be back. I have my frying pan, and I'm gonna put, I don't have it on high, because I don't want my oil to burn. I just have it on medium. Coconut smells so good. I'm going to pour in my blended vegetables. Cover it so it don't flash all over my stove. Let it fry. forgot to show you my tomato paste I was going to put in it. So now I'm putting my tomato paste. You can cook it without. I'm cooking my tomato paste. You can see I turned it down because I don't want it flashing all over. Split peas will need a little bit more water. I just checked it. It still has to break down. But you also don't want it too thick because if you make it thick and let it sit, it will get hard. So I boiled some water because I don't want the cooking process to stop. And I'm just going to pour some more water in it. Let me cover it. You see it didn't stop boiling. Let me cover it and let it continue to cook down. Now I'll season my gravy. Put in the minced garlic. Put more seasoning. Pepper. Garlic powder. And salt. Some of my pepper flakes. Season blend. It's hard. It's hard to break up with my hands, so I'm just going to put it in there and let it melt. Then I'm going to put a little bit of my pepper. See that pepper? Chicken has 3 more minutes. And you cover it and let it continue to fry. So the first 19 minutes is done. See how it is? If you want, you can keep it like that, but I want it brown a little bit more. See how the other side is. I will just flip it around. See? And when I do another 19, it will be right the way I want it. Down. Let me bring this up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to bring it down to 19. I'll take it to 15. That should be good. And then I'm going to start. Okay, it just went off. And this is my chicken. Now I'm going to go and put it in my gravy. When I put the chicken and stir it up, I will just put a little bit of water and fry it for a few more minutes. And my gravy will be ready. And I've checked on my split peas, and it has about 5 more minutes to go. And I will be eating it. I will be eating it with some rice. Put a little bit of water. Oh my gosh. Let it dry down, and I will be back. I have it on medium low. Okay, my split piece is ready. Because like I told you, when it gets cold, it's going to thicken. And this is my smoked pork that's in there. My gravy is also ready. And I'm going to cook my food. My Liberian split peas, rice and gravy is all ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Bye-bye.